Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create BloFin account. So if you also want to create BloFin account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So BloFin is a crypto exchange that offers trading pairs for spot and perpetual contracts. So if you also want to create the BloFin account, it is very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is download the BloFin application. You can easily download the application from Play Store and App Store. Once you download the application, all you have to do is open it. You can see over here, BloFin application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find two options, demo trading, sign up or login. If you want to create the BloFin account, simply tap on the option sign up or login. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you'll be able to sign up for your account. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign up. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to create an account. All you have to do is provide the email or phone number. After that, you'll have to create a password for yourself, or you can also continue with Google if you want. If you want to create an account with email, simply tap on this box that you can see right over here. Now simply enter your email. Make sure to enter the correct email, or you can also enter the phone number instead. Now what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Tap on the box of password. Now simply create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must contain 8 to 32 characters with combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. If you have the referral code, you can add it over here. Now what you have to do is check on this option. I have read and agreed to terms, privacy and risk warning. After that, what you have to do is tap on the sign up option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. The verification code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open the Gmail application. You can see over here, I'm opening the Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, BloFin has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the verification code. Memorize this code. Go back to BloFin application. Now enter that code over here. You can enable the passkeys if you want. With passkeys, you don't need to use your password or authentication code to log in and withdraw. If you want to enable, simply tap on the option enable now. For now, I'm not going to enable it. Now you can see over here, your account has been created. So that is how you create BloFin account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.